So I got this cat eye gel polish. It's a very thick gel polish. This is 2 coats and a top coat, no base coat. Very sparkly, very, very thick. I wish it was thinner, but maybe I'd never used a cat's eye glitter gel polish. Maybe it needs to be thick. I will say, I do not feel like the magnet was doing anything significant. With this one, I tried putting the magnet in the middle, and I don't like how they turned out as well. With these, I put the magnet on the edges, and I think it repelled the polish towards the center, and I think these nails look better. I love the glitter and like holographic effect of the polish. But I don't know about the magnet at all. But that could just be, this is my first time buying a cat's eye polish and trying to use a magnet. Again, these, I tried to put the magnet on the edge, and I think they turned out way better. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend this like for the cat's eye effect because I couldn't get that. But I'm not experienced with that. I will say it's a thick, sparkly, pretty polish. It's kind of, in person, I'm looking at outside, it's like a aquamarine-ish purple, depending on what lighting, gray. You do catch a lot of different pretty colors in it. Gray seems like the first color that catches my eye. But then I also see purples, blues, a blue-green. So it's pretty. It's sparkly. Very thick polish. This is 2 coats. I did not put any sort of base coat. You're going to get a totally different color if you put a base white coat or a base black coat under it. But yeah, personally, I couldn't see much with the magnet. Maybe I'll try messing with it on some white paper and see what we get. So this is the magnet it comes with. I can't see that the magnet's doing anything to it. Oh, did I?
Definitely is from underneath.
Yeah, from underneath you can see. So it is magnetic polish. But again, for me, I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't feel like I was able to get like a cat's eye effect. But yeah, that definitely proves it is magnetic. That proves it. It's magnetic, but I don't know what I'm doing with it. It's not as simple as I thought. But yeah, I still like the polish. I just don't know how to get like the effect I wanted with it. Hope that helps you know if it's something you want to buy.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.